Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese with milk and butter using an easy method. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. 4 cups of whole milk, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar or lemon juice. These simple items are the foundation for delicious homemade cheese. Also, gather your equipment, including a large pot, a colander, and some cheesecloth. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Pour your 4 cups of whole milk and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter into a large pot. Place it over medium heat, stirring continuously to prevent scorching. You want the mixture to reach 180 degrees Fahrenheit just before boiling. Once it hits the right temperature, take the pot off the heat. Slowly pour in the 2 tablespoons of vinegar or lemon juice, stirring gently to encourage the curds to separate from the whey. After the curds have formed, it's time to drain them. Line a colander with a few layers of cheesecloth and set it over a large bowl to catch the whey. Carefully pour the entire contents of your pot into the lined colander. Allow it to drain for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then, gather the edges of the cheesecloth and gently but firmly press the curds to squeeze out any remaining liquid. This step is crucial for the cheese's texture. Once drained, unwrap your fresh cheese from the cheesecloth. Now is the perfect time to season it with a pinch of salt or any other herbs you prefer and shape it into a ball or disc. Place your homemade cheese in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to allow it to firm up properly. Then, it's ready to slice and enjoy. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make cheese.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.